We're getting ready to head out on the Upper Dells boat tour, which is going to take us out along the Wisconsin River for 2 hours with 2 stops at Witch's Gulch and Stand Rock.
Horseshoe style, you put it around your head like this, strap it go around your waist and attach to
To take you back in time, share with you what originally brought people to Wisconsin Dells. The beauty of the river and the rocks.
Gulch, which is a slot canyon that's only accessible on the Upper Dells boat tour. It's actually something I saw online and just really wanted to get a chance to see in person, and that's what led us to the boat tour.
So we're on the second stop of our boat tour, and this photo of H.H. Bennett's son is supposedly what started all the tourism to the Wisconsin Dells. It's a photo to prove his photo technique, and that's his son leaping to Standing Rock.
Today when you visit, you won't see anyone's son jumping between the rocks, but you will see a well-trained dog.
This river does freeze over in the winter time, so that means we have to take all of the docks out every fall and rebuild them every spring, the same way they did back in the 1800s.
It becomes a braided river up to our left. So it's very shallow, lots of moving sandbars. So for all these reasons, we are going to turn around and head back. We'll be back to downtown in 20 minutes.
And the local landscape, and we settled on the classic Wisconsin Dells experience of riding the ducks for our second tour. our time in the Dells. We really enjoyed it. The Upper Dells tour was definitely worthwhile. I can see why that is such a popular thing to do here. It was a lot of really beautiful scenery and a relaxing trip.
Yeah, a big part of that trip is the Witch's Gulch. Pretty famous for the Dells, but it is very fast. It's a fast stop. It's probably the biggest complaint that you'll see in reviews about the Dells cruise. You get on, you get off, and then you have to pretty much just walk through them and get right back on. You got about 20 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's pretty quick, and that was, one of the main reasons that I wanted to go on the tour. So yeah, it's a quick one.
Yep.
The ducks are a totally different experience. They are just mostly fun, and it's a unique vehicle for sure.
Yeah, how often you get to ride an amphibious truck like that was used in World War II. Those things are basically living fossils in a way. So a lot of fun, definitely for kids, but we still enjoyed it.
Yeah, absolutely. Me too. And doing both of those tours together actually gave us, there's a discount when you get more than one tour, and it gave us a good variety. So I think we had a good time.
Yeah, we would definitely do it again if we ever came back to the Dells.
Yep, absolutely. So we hope that you enjoyed our trip here and that you can learn some things. And until next time,
Enjoy your travels.